Can we play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is let us open up our Spotify. Then you can play any song that you want. You can put it on your, you can put it on your player right here. It should be right here. Then you can open up your YouTube. Now, after you play the music on your Spotify, you can open up any video that you want. So choose any video that you want to play on your YouTube. And while you play that on the YouTube, you'll notice that the sound on your, Spotify will get stopped. Now that is due to the limitations that your mobile device has. Now this is only for your mobile devices. This will not occur when you're using Spotify and YouTube on your PC or your laptop or any other device. So yeah, I hope this answers your question that you cannot play Spotify and YouTube simultaneously at the same time. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye.